You ever been to PRI? Yeah, me neither. But I'm up early and I'm headed that way. Me and Ryan to go see if we can get some people to back up tailgate throwdown. Y'all go with us. It's my first time, so I have no idea what to expect.
Ready for PRI. You ready for PRI? You?
Yeah. Do you believe that?
Tom, you need some work, bro.
I ain't been in a truck a couple years, dog. Oh, I'm recording. No.
Spare any change for an upcoming YouTuber? Spare any change?
I don't have any extra money.
Here's $12 at PRI.
What you got, Thomas?
Pull the handle, Thomas. Pull the handle, Thomas. Oh, no.
Where does that go?
Pull the handle, Thomas.
Hey, Thomas.
I said, hey, what's going on?
Nothing. A whole lot of nothing going on. We're stuck here in the airport for God knows how long. It's a snowstorm. We don't do snowstorms in Texas.
No.
We do ice storms.
Yeah.
We do it the manly way. But apparently snow, like soft little girly snow, stops us from operating.
Yeah.
How'd you feel about PRI?
PRI was freaking awesome.
Yeah.
PRI was good move for us. Good move for tailgate throwdown. Good move for prime time racing. Good move for Moonshiner Garage.
It was great.
It was.
Met so many great people there. I mean, people that we watch and see other places, and you never know who they're going to be or how they are, and they were awesome people.
And I was super surprised to see how many people reached out and already knew who we was.
Yeah, which was really weird.
Yeah, it's a little different.
It was a little weird.
A little
weird. Some guy kept grabbing my hand going up the escalator, wanting me to do TikToks.
You want to do that? Hey, buddy, you want to make a TikTok with me?
Yes.
Keep on moving, ain't nothing gonna break my stride. I'm running and I won't touch ground. Oh, no.
Jake, what'd you think about PRI?
Great.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Meeting people that I watch on TV. Good relationships with people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think what'd you like about PRI?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
What about you, Chrissy?
I liked it all too.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting people and all that fun stuff.
Yeah. And there's cool products that you can't afford, but would love to.
A lot of
afford.
hot rod parts.
Man.
A lot of hot rod parts.
You can go really fast with stuff in there.
Almost as fast as I can go on this thing right here. Oh. Is this paid for or rental?
I don't know. Want to go do donuts? Do tight shots.